Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to learn how to convert square centimeters to square inches. I will be solving two examples to convert square centimeter to inches. To start with, we are going to review few standard conversions for this. As we all know that 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters and we need to convert centimeters square to inches. So for that we'll first find how much is 1 centimeter. For that we can just transpose 2.54 or divide both the sides by 2.54 to get 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is 0.394 inches. You can learn one conversion and can derive the second one from that, or you can learn both the conversion that 1 inch is 2.54 centimeter and 1 centimeter is 0.394 inches. So to convert from square centimeter to square inches, there are two methods. First is to find the conversion factor and to multiply the quantity with that, or you can do it directly. Let's start with the direct method first. Let us find out how much is 45 centimeters square in square inches. So 45 centimeters square we can write as 45 times 1 centimeter times 1 centimeter. Centimeter square means we have to multiply by centimeter 2 times. Now as we are converting it into inches, we need to put the relation 1 centimeter is equal to 0.394 inches 2 times here. So this will become 0.394 inches times 0.394 inch. So we can write it as 45 times 0.394 times 0.394 square inches, because we are multiplying inches 2 times. So this will become square inches. So this will become 6.97 square inches. This is only up to 2 decimal places. If you want, you can take up to 3 or 4 decimal places value. So our final answer will become 45 square centimeters is equal to 6.97 square inches. Now let's try one more example, and this time we are going to use a conversion factor to convert directly from square centimeters to square inches. First we'll find the conversion factor. So 1 centimeter we got as 0.394 inches. 1 square centimeter will become, square centimeter means we are going to multiply 1 centimeter times 1 centimeter. So this will become 0.394 times 0.394 square inches. So our conversion factor is 1 square centimeters is equal to 0.155 square inches. This is the direct conversion factor we can use to convert from square centimeters to square inches. Let us take an example here. Let's convert 32 square centimeters to square inches. So 32 square centimeter is 32 times 1 square centimeters, and in place of 1 square centimeter we are going to write 0.155 square inches. So this will become 4.96 square inches. So if you know the conversion factor, that how much is 1 square centimeter, you can directly convert any square centimeters into square inches. So this is going to be our final answer. I hope this is helpful to you. Thanks for watching.